So, reply to star question number 6. So, the Chief Minister's level meeting was planned during April 2020 to discuss the interstate boundary issue, but the same could not be held due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Mr. Speaker, sir, I would like to ask, what are the plans of the government to settle the areas of difference with Assam?
So, the plans are to try to resolve these issues.
So, history tells us that there is no demarcation boundary between Assam and Meghalaya. Therefore, in the event that the government takes up the boundary issue with Assam, I would like to suggest any settlement of the Assam-Meghalaya border boundary must be in consonance with the constitutional boundary as existed after the Constitution of India came into force. On no account can any other year be accepted.
So, I've noted the point.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.